With Summer 18, we're delivering a guided experience for agents in the Lightning experience. With our latest guided engagement enhancements, you can dynamically change the Lightning Service Console to walk agents through customer service processes step by step, saving agents time and ensuring consistency. And with the guided action history, agents always know exactly which step of the process they are completing for the customer and what they've already handled. With our new guided action list component, customer service agents have access to all of the processes your organization provides them from an easy-to-use menu. From here, they can choose the different flows that will guide them through the customer service processes they want to complete with the customer. When customer service agents select flows from the guided action list menu, they are queued on the left sidebar. As the customer service agent completes the flows, they see the progress they've made towards successfully resolving the customer issue or request they are working on. As the customer service agent successfully completes all of the steps in a flow, they can easily see what they've accomplished with the customer during their service interaction with the guided action list history. The checkmarks here indicate that the action steps and actions have been completed successfully. Service organizations can make agents more productive with guided engagement by defining the actions that need to be taken initiating, during, and ending customer interactions. Setting this up is easy. From the Lightning Page Builder, when selecting the Guided Action List component, we can set the channel settings, which selects actions to list the specific channels such as phone or chat. When we click Edit, we get this easy-to-use menu where we can choose which flows we want to include by default at the beginning and the end of a customer service interaction by pinning the actions to the top and bottom of the action list. To include common processes that might also be needed, we can add those actions in the Unpinned section. You can also select whether to auto-launch the first flow in the list by using the toggle at the top. With the latest guided engagement enhancements, you can streamline customer service processes, saving time for your agents and ensuring a consistent support experience for your customers. This is just one more way that Lightning powers a more productive agent experience.